My name's Holly Cunningham. I'm from Oldham and I'm studying business management.
My name is Afzal. I'm from Rochdale and I'm studying accounting and financial services.
So I finished off from school with 2 GCSEs, then wanted to be a hairdresser, then I had my 2 children.
I wanted to take my education further and learning more about accounting. It's like they did like an introduction day where it just gave me an insight of what I'd be learning, and that's what appealed to me the most.
I enrolled at Oldham College to do an access course with business management to get myself back into education. I feel completely settled and welcome here. I mean, even when you have children, they do work around you if you have childcare issues, and then ask me if I need help, and they do accommodate you for that.
Every week you have one-to-one tutorials with your tutor. So your tutor will let you know how your progress is going, she'll let you know about your attendance, she'll have regular emails going out alerting you of everything that's going on.
Sometimes I think you just think that you're stuck in a dead-end job if you've got like no qualifications. You don't think that by the time you get to a certain age that you can better yourself.
My advice would be just not give up and just look around. So if you're in college and you've not got the results you want, speak to your college tutor, or you can go on the UCAS website and you can have a look at the options, just research on Google what UCAS points you need.
For me, this is showing my children that they can do whatever it is that they want to do, and that's what I'm doing. I'm showing them the way to go and being their role model.